Hello all. Let me tell you some new news. It happened within the last half an hour, quarter an hour I think, maybe 20 minutes. YouTube has given me yet another day ban from commenting in the comments section of videos posted. Why? No idea. They didn't tell me which comment they regarded as cyber harassment, causing offence, etc., etc., etc. Fuck's sakes, man. The modern world. If you talk well ahead of the what's it, they claim they claim all that bollocks. I know. You're afraid of thinkers. YouTube. What the fuck is YouTube anyway? And it's YouTube, the UK division, controlled by who's the fella in charge of media and digital online stuff in Westminster? What Tory fella? Is it Tory fella now? I know for a while. Who's that mad cow Nadine? Anyway, when Labour get in, I bet it won't happen to me. You know, it's getting silly now. It's only about 2 weeks when I had the last one. They want to bloody ban me from YouTube. It's up to them. Then is when the legalities happen. My MP is legally trained. You've got to send me an exact reason why. I've been behaving myself, when this, what's been happening in Israel, I like to call it Old Palestine. I've been behaving myself there. I'm quite experienced in this nonsense now. I just made a video of what happened in. Oh, life is too short to put up with shit. I'm going 30 seconds. 30 seconds left. I'll make this 4 minutes. I've tried to do a mile in 4 minutes once upon a time. I got quite close. Well, if you can call 4.5 minutes quite close. Not exactly Steve Ovett, Seb Coe, Stephen Cram. Whenever. And I'll go past 4 minutes. I'm going.